Angela Bassett did the thing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Keema, for Kimmy. Already off to a fast start. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Keema, for Keema Home Interiors. Thank you so much for joining me. And today we're going shopping at Ikea. When I'm done, I'm gonna have the word. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell button so you know the next time I post a video. Now, my client from the Belcher Estate, I've had like 2 videos on this already. We are in the decorating stage, honey. We've done all the hard work, all the hard skates. Now it's time to pull it all together and make it pretty. The one thing that I really love about this video is that my client, she never ever been to an Ikea. So we took a trip to North Carolina because there's no Ikea in all of South Carolina. I don't know what's going on with that. I need to call the people. But we took a trip and we went up there and we had a great time. The main thing we was focusing on was curtains and lighting. So a lot of this video is about lighting. So if you're interested, I will have links down below so you can scoop up these items. Let's get into it. Tip: before you go to any store to make any purchases, please bring along a sample of something that you have. We already purchased a couch, so we brought that fabric along so that we can tie the curtains and everything in together. And we also were looking at different things as well. Ikea is a great place. They're getting a little high, but they are a great place to do the fast interior design. They stay on trends. They also have great different things. They also have different great things. Does that make sense as well? They also have like things that look one of a kind, even though they're like mass produced. Just interesting things that you can put in your home. I posted, I had every intention on period. Now, I love this piece. It kind of took me by surprise. It's very dark and very moody. I can't pronounce it, so don't ask me to pronounce it, but I feel like the price on it is not bad at all, especially for something that looks luxe. This looks like something that is in like a 5-star hotel. This lamp gives vintage, old school like a feel with the it look like milk glass, the chrome. I'm personally a brass gold girl, but this look like how you can marry the new with the old. And $70 is a lot for a lamp. Okay, but I'm sure if you like it, you'll pay for it. So I don't want to hear it. You know what this This is another lamp that I think is very moody, very cute. I think it's masculine as well, especially with the black or like charcoal base and the wooden like lamp pole. I can see this being in a office, a man's office, a male's office, a male identified person's office. And the circle is very contemporary of the shade on it. I really like that. But this lamp is like $200 some. $259. Girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this itty bitty tiny little lamp. It is $18. This is like a lamp I will put in my kitchen. It could go in a bathroom, kids room. It's tiny. You can tell by my hand that it is a tiny little piece. I love this. I love that. I love this too. If you're into that, like what's it called, Art Deco style, like the theaters and the old school buildings, especially like the architecture in New York and stuff like that, this is what this lamp gives me. It's $100. It's not really my style, but I see it in a hotel, like one of those old school swanky hotels. You know what I mean? It's like a callback, and I don't mind that. It seems like they're trying, and they make it in a bigger size. If I had to get a lamp out of this is one of my favorite lamps. I love the milk glass top, and I love the beigey base of it. It's so neutral. And neutral is my thing. That's $30. I like that too. This lamp is giving Thomas Edison vibes, girl. Down. I feel like if it was a little bit cheaper, it'll be perfect, because I feel like this is maybe like a $15, $17 lamp, not a $30 lamp. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. Oh wait. Oh, I thought somebody had put that up there. I don't like that. Girl, this lamp is oogly. I won't say it's ugly, it's different. It's really not my style, but I do like how you can interchange and move the parts of it around. I think that's really nice. And I do like the brass detail. Yes. I like this too. This I would put in the hallway. Old grandma looking lamp, which I'm into. Now I'm showing you just a couple more lamps that they had for sale on display, honey. Their on display lights are beat up, girl. But we got done with that and we started moseying on through the store. One thing about Ikea, you feel like a little mouse in a maze, because it's telling you go this way, go that way, okay? Dalahast means dollar horse in Swedish. The dollar horse is a traditional hand-carved wooden horse originated from the Swedish province of Dalarna. You know, I gotta get a little footage for my YouTube people. These are my favorite right here. Mija. Look at those brown ones. Ain't this cute? Yes. And that's why I passed by. These look like little scarves.
I know they look rose.
Oh, I love that black and white striped rug. They got two buggies. They shopping down. They got a lot of lighting in here. I love a wicker. Oh, this is cute. This little. Oh, I love this. That's cute. Love these. Love these. Oh my gosh. Like most tags have a number on it. And then you come down here and you find the corresponding aisle number and you pull off whatever you need.
That's how you do it.
Yes.
I gotta try this chair.
Huh?
Just see how this chair sits. I like this.
I got little holes in them to catch the rain. Yeah. You just feel it. You just liking it because you tired of walking now. We're gonna do a little haul while we here. We're gonna do a haul while you gotta show the people what you got.
I have curtains.
We have the, what are they called? Sanella curtains in this beautiful brownish taupe color.
I have pillow covers. I have 4, and these are on sale for $5 each.
We have these $5 on sale pillow covers.
It's gonna blend in with the curtains.
I forgot all about your microwave bowl.
I got a microwave.
We got a microwave bowl.
2 wooden spoons.
2 wooden spoons.
And a $4.99 as is.
What is it? A time?
Sand glass.
Sand glass.
Got my duvet.
And she has a duvet as well.
Yes.
Then I'm getting, since I don't come to Ikea often, so I'm just gonna, you know, spend it. I'm getting these, whatever the name is, full queen duvet cover and pillowcases. I'm getting these beautiful curtains for $30. That's already $100. I'm getting these beautiful curtains for $30. Pam, these the same fabric that, remember the cover I wanted? That's the same collection from the covers that I wanted. And then I'm getting this beautiful stone ceramic dish tray pedestal situation. And I'm also getting some cookies. I think that's all I got. Okay, so now that you have seen my quick little trip to the Ikea, honey, we was in there for like 3 hours looking, stopping, thinking, oh, I want that. Now we gotta go back. Is this the only thing that I don't like about Ikea is that if you want something, sometimes they're on the floor on display, and sometimes they're down in the basement where you get everything else at. But then you be like, dang, I really wanted that soap thingy, but you're thinking they're down in the basement, but they're not. They're actually upstairs, so you have to go back and forth, girl, if you don't really know. It was my second time at Ikea, so I wasn't a professional, but I'm gonna do a recap of my little purchases. So this is the Anglesia full queen, double queen. This is this a duvet? Girl, I thought I was buying a duvet, but I'm not sure if it's a duvet or just a regular comforter, because it does not say duvet on it, and I was really wanting a duvet. So we'll see. I am currently working on a bedroom refresh. I've already made over the bedroom, but now that I've had it for a while, I know what I want different. I want it to be a little bit more grand, a little bit more, you know, different. We'll see as we go along. As a spider. Oh my god, and I'm about to kill it. How dare you! So the next thing that I got were these Valborg curtains. These are also going into the bedroom refresh. So I think that's a good color combination because I want to do a little bit more moody in the bedroom. And these are darkening curtains. And when I thought about it, I got all the way back home and I was like, God dang it. You always, with me, when you want full curtains, and I like my curtains to be longer than the actual window, and I have double windows, I should have got another pair of these. These are only 2. They're going to cover the window, of course, but they're going to not be as thick as I want them. But I also made some curtains and some pillowcases to go along with this, so I'm hoping that it'll look good when I put it all together. Alright, the third thing that I got were the dye tag curtains. Now the dye tag is kind of expensive. I don't know why these were necessarily on sale, but they look like linen, but they're not. These is for downstairs in the living room because I'm going for the bright and airy neutral type vibe downstairs in the living room and in the dining room. So this will look great. And also I feel like, also, if you've been following me, you know I'm in the middle of making over my kitchen too, girl. I got so many open projects. And this color is in my kitchen, so I feel like this will be a good way to tie everything together. So we're gonna see once it's time to do the things. Angela Bassett did the thing. The fourth and last thing I purchased were this. Girl, I can't even get it to do. I can't even get it to do the things. Anyway, the fourth and final thing I purchased was this tray, darling. This tray was originally $9, but I got it on sale for $5.99. It's this like gray color, but it has like a tinge of like a green undertone. The top you can see is shiny while the sides are still matte. It is as is. This was in like the clearance section, the markdown section. I love this. You can put your keys on it. You can put it in the kitchen and do other things with it. You can put a plant on top of it, honey. There's so many things you can do with it. I haven't styled it yet, but I already have an idea what I want to do with it. So keep watching and you will see. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I want to thank me for entertaining, yes. And I hope that you subscribe, that you like this video, and that you leave me a comment. I will appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel. I want 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, darling. And I know me and you and this camera and all this other stuff I got going on, I know that we can do it. I got faith in us. So if you would please subscribe, it would be highly appreciated. Videos every week. Think I'm about to start doing 2 videos per week. Girl, give me the strength. Send me all the strength through the internet, girl. I know you got some left over, so give it to me. I'll take it because I'm trying to grow my channel and I'm putting in the work, okay? So subscribe, like, comment. My Instagram will be down below. I would appreciate it if you would give me a follow on there as well. We talk more on Instagram, and you see a lot of behind the scenes on Instagram, so follow me there. I will see you next week. I love you for watching. Bye.